Presentation of my family, Juan Camilo Escobar Zúñiga. Hello, my name is Juan Camilo Escobar Zúñiga. I live in the city of Neiva. I am a Leo student and I am going to tell you about my family. In this Peter, my father, my mother, and you. We are celebrating my dad's birthday. I am on the right side of the punter. I am 28 years old. I love to listen to music, exercise, and short wish. My family in my free time. On the right side of the punter is my mother. Her, my name is Yolanda Zúñiga Mosquera. She works as an employee in a private company. She is a very keen person and my reason for being together with my father. She really likes creating and reading. It is very good for doing all kinds of crafts. Finally, in the middle of the printer is my father. My name is Julio Cesar Escobar. My father works as an independent. My dad is a very strong person physically and mentally, and the person I admire the most for his dedication to the family. Thank you. Bye bye.